Hey everyone, it's June 6th and I want to do a quick room tour on my daughter's bedroom. It's not completely done yet, but it's somewhat done. So I'm going to show you how it turned out and what else I need to do. So let's get right into it. So right when you walk in, it looks like this. I have her little unicorn jacket hanging there for whenever we go somewhere, I just grab it real fast and go. I have my work calendar there. I have it in here because it's a Disney theme. And then we have her baby photos when she was born. Here I have a basket full of junk toys, and then I have this rack full of her toys as well. I have a little mirror sitting down there because she's short and she can look at herself. And then I have her towel hung right there. I have a little A right there, and it has like gold glitter. And then if you, right when you walk in and you turn this way, I have these little cubes, these little, what are they called? Little boxes, and I just wear shoes in there. And I have this tin right here that I put some of her toys because she has a lot of toys. I have this light here and her little baby monitor thingy. In here I have headbands and little crowns that she has. And then in this one I just have her diapers and baby wipes and powder. And then here I have her socks. I have more socks, but they are in the boxes over there, so I have to dig through that. She has her little baby crib here, and I just put her toys in there too because, like I said, she has a lot of toys. And then she has this fluffy little chair next to it, and she just put the little porcupine there. Above her light, she has this moon photo frame, and then she has her bed here. She has, it's like a pastel theme, so she has a pink, light pink blanket, and she has this pastel comforter, and then her little teddy bears, pineapple pillow, bunny pillow, and she has a unicorn, and I think that's a bunny and a little doll. And then she has this thing that plays Twinkle Twinkle, and it changes the songs, and it shows a picture there, but you're not gonna be able to see it because of the light. So let's see. You still can't see it because it's still not dark enough, but just know it makes pictures. And then above her bed is this little thing, a little frame that says "Bundle of Joy, Tiny Miracle, Wonder, Baby Mine, Welcome to the World, Little One and Sweet Baby." We got this at the baby shower. Yes. You want to take it off?
Take it off.
Okay. We got this at the baby shower. I don't know who gave it to us, but thank you whoever gave it to us. And then we have these curtains that are kind of see-through, that way the light could come in. And then it has little, can you see this, little purple balls on them right here, and then also on the ends. And then I have this little learning desk that she got for her birthday from my cousin. And then we have her tent. It's sitting on a fluffy blanket, and it has little balls like her curtains and like the pastel colors. And right here it has her name. It says Alizé. And then we have these little leaves, and then it also has this rose gold light that turns on like that. And then when you go in, it's a mess. She has her toys, she has her pillows, she has more toys back there. And then it lights up inside, and I use these little pins to hold it together. Hi. And then over here, she has her stroller, her baby. She has a shopping cart, a shopping basket, this little, I don't know what these are called, but they have these at the doctor's office. And then she has her kitchen. She has her kitchen, and above her kitchen is this cash register, this My Little Pony, a helmet. She has a bike, but the bike is at my mom's house. And then we have all her clothes in here that need to be unpacked and hung up. So as of right now, nothing is hung up besides those 2 dresses. And then I have all her books right here. I have some balloons, bubbles back there. She used up like all her bubbles already, so she only has 2 left. And then I have her picture right here, her 2nd birthday photo shoot that I did for her. And then I have some teddy bears back there that are hiding that I need to figure out where to put as well. And then I put these little lights up here that they do work, but it's too high for me to turn on, so I just leave it there for decoration. And then, so yeah, that's what I have to do. I have to put her clothes away and figure out where to put those teddy bears. And then on this wall, I want to put like art of like animals, like giraffes and what's it called? Giraffes, lions, all kinds of zoo animals that would look cute on that wall. And then after that, I think I'm pretty much done. I do have another set of lights. They're like ball lights, and they're pink, and I want to put them over the window. But at the same time, I don't know if I should do that or not, because I feel like I don't know. So that's her room tour. Soon I'll be able to do the whole apartment the whole apartment tour. But right now we still have to do some finishing touches. We still haven't even hung that big mirror up. I think the only thing that is done is the 2 bathrooms, her bedroom, besides the clothes that need to be hung. Our bedroom is somewhat done. We do want to get a bigger dresser because most of my clothes are just folded and on the floor in the closet because I'm too short and I can't reach the high racks, so my clothes are on the bottom racks, but there's not that much bottom racks. And then our kitchen is kind of done as well, but there's still some things that we need to do to finish up. So that is everything as of right now. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this, if you want to see more videos like this, or if you want to see more videos in general. And then don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every week. I try to post every Friday, but my work schedule is kind of all over the place, so I can't really put a day, but I post every week. At least I try to, yeah. But that is everything. Come here. Say bye-bye. Hi. Look. Do you like your room? I like your room. Yes or no? Do you like your room? Yes, no. Do you like your room? No. No? What? You don't like your room? Do you like your room? No. Why not? Are you sure? Are you just lying to me? Are you lying? Do you like your room? And there she goes. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.
I love it when we hang out in your treehouse after dark, and when you hang my heart against the wall and play with darts. I know it's kinda sad that you're the only, oh my God. I promise I will love you